Love handles, those stubborn pockets of fat on your sides, are tough to get rid of, but not impossible. In this video, you'll learn the no BS way to lose them for good. We'll reveal 4 science-backed steps that work for anyone. By the end, you'll know exactly what to do to sculpt your waist and feel more confident than ever. Let's jump right in. This video is all about helping you shed those love handles for good. We'll tackle the problem from every angle: how to master your nutrition, the best exercises to reshape your body, a quick and effective daily ab workout, busting myths about oblique training. Stick around because we'll also share a powerful testimonial from someone who's seen amazing results using these steps. Ready to change your life? Let's get started with the foundation, your diet. Losing fat, including love handles, starts with creating a calorie deficit, burning more calories than you consume. Avoid crash diets, they're unsustainable and often lead to weight gain later. Instead, aim for a moderate deficit of 300 to 500 calories per day. Focus on whole, nutrient-rich foods like lean proteins, fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats. Example meal plan: breakfast, Greek yogurt with berries and nuts. Lunch, grilled chicken salad with olive oil dressing. Dinner, salmon, quinoa, and steamed broccoli. Snacks, apple slices with almond butter or a boiled egg. Use smaller plates to control portions. Practice the 80-20 rule: 80% nutritious foods, 20% indulgences. Chew slowly and eat without distractions. With nutrition handled, let's move on to the exercises that will reshape your body, starting with training your lats. Strong lats create a V-taper effect, making your waist appear smaller and more defined. A well-developed back improves posture and enhances your overall physique. One-arm cable pull-downs, isolate and target the lats effectively. Pull-ups, a classic move for upper body strength and width. Bent over rows, builds overall back mass while targeting the lats. Lat pull-downs, great for beginners to build strength gradually. Perform 3 to 4 sets of 8 to 12 reps for each exercise. Focus on your mind-muscle connection, engage the lats with every rep. Now that you're building a strong back, let's focus on the front, your abs, for that complete sculpted look. Why ab training matters. Defined abs aren't just for aesthetics, they strengthen your core, improve balance, and protect you from injuries. A strong core also boosts performance in other exercises. Simple daily ab routine. Strengthen your entire core. Bicycle crunches. Do 20 reps to target the upper and lower abs along with obliques. Leg raises. Focus on lower abdominal strength with 15 reps. Perform this routine daily, taking just 10 to 15 minutes. Staying consistent. Consistency beats intensity. Small, regular workouts will show results over time. Track your progress with photos or a fitness journal. Abs are great, but we need to address a common myth about oblique training next. Let's set the record straight. Debunking the myth. There's a common myth that oblique training will make your waist wider. The truth is, proper oblique training enhances your waist's definition, contributing to a tapered look. Effective oblique exercises. Russian twists. Do 20 reps to engage internal and external obliques. Side planks. Hold for 30 seconds per side to strengthen and stabilize your core. Bicycle crunches. Hit your obliques from multiple angles with 20 reps. Why you need oblique training. Oblique training builds functional strength for everyday movements. It improves posture and reduces injury risk. Now that we've covered all the steps, let's hear from someone who put this plan into action and achieved amazing results. Meet James, a 35-year-old office worker who struggled with love handles for years. He followed this plan: nutrition, lat exercises, AB training, and oblique workouts, and lost 12 pounds in 8 weeks. James's words: "I was skeptical at first, but this plan made it simple. The small changes in my diet and the quick workouts fit perfectly into my busy life. Seeing my love handles disappear has been incredibly motivating. Consistency and dedication are the keys to success. If James can do it, so can you." Let's quickly summarize the steps so you can start your transformation today. 4-step plan recap. Step 1, nutrition. Create a calorie deficit with whole foods. Step 2, lat training. Build your V-taper for a slimmer appearance. Step 3, ab training. Strengthen your core with daily exercises. Step 4, oblique training. Enhance your waist without fear of widening it. Now it's your turn. Start with one step today, whether it's tweaking your diet or adding a workout. And if you want more tips, click the video on your screen now. Don't forget to subscribe for fitness advice that works. See you in the next one.